Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my viewer. Good morning. As you are coming, please tell me your name straight so that I'll comment something below so that I'll know that yes, you're active. Understand? Comment something, even if you are seeing this particular video, this particular live before, and let me just say after the live stream, comment something so that I know that yes, you participate on this particular live. You understand? But one thing that is bothering me now is that there is no light and I don't have enough battery. And moreover, I've scheduled this particular live video already. So I'm going straight to the chat now. You understand? Comment something below. Let me know who is active. I'm going straight to the chat now before the laptop off. I have just 6 minutes left. You understand? For the laptop to off. There is light before, but they just took the light. You understand? They just took the light. So I'm going to the chat straight ahead. Let me tell you guys what I'm expecting during this London section. You understand? What I'm expecting is my plan to have a long time with you guys so that we'll take a trade together. Wait for strategy to play out so that we'll take a trade together. But if miracle happen and they bring light, then that's just all. Means you are going to continue till we take trade together, or maybe if there is no time, then we can maybe look for a setup. I will predict what will happen on the chat for you guys. But this is my chat here. This is my chat here. You are highly welcome. I can see you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. So this is it here. Let me share screen. First of all, let me share screen. But I don't have battery. I don't have battery. I just pray they bring light. And if they bring light, how am I going to continue with where I stop? That is the issue. That is the issue. As you are coming, comment something below. Let me know that you are active. Let me know that you are active. Comment something below. My battery is just going down, but nevertheless, let me do the one I can do because before I've set I've scheduled this particular live stream. You understand? The battery I've given warning already. Okay, let me share my screen very fast. Let me share my screen very fast. Very fast. I'm going to share my screen. Where is it now? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Why you don't want to share? Yep. Why the screen don't want to share? Let me check something. Waiting NEPA they do me. I don't just waiting NEPA they do me. BB official, you are highly welcome. Active, you are active. I can see you are active. I just pray they bring this light so that we'll continue. You understand? I just pray they bring light. Let me just say magic happen and they bring light. Jesus, I'll be the most happiest person. I'll be the most happiest person. I'll be the most happiest person. My screen don't where, or did they want me to share the entire screen? Did they want me to share entire screen? Did they want me to share? Okay, if they want me to share entire screen, then this is it here. Then so this is my MT5. I don't know if you guys are seeing it clear now. I don't know if you guys are seeing my MT5. Can you guys see my MT5? Can you see my MT5? If you can see my MT5, let me see number one. I beg. If you can see my MT5, I don't know why. If you can see my MT5, let me see MT5. I'll be trading view. If you can, not yet. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this now? What's this now? What's this now? Okay, can you see it now? good morning, good morning. NEPA, you guys, you guys know how we battle with NEPA. You understand? See, I put a live schedule. By then there is light. You understand? After I have put that live schedule, immediately I start a live video. They carry light, and the laptop, before you know, the battery don go down. You understand? Except if there is light. You understand? Good morning, Rachel. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sorry for the inconvenience. You understand? Sorry for the inconvenience. You know, you guys, I love you guys. I can do anything. Immediately as they bring the light, I just rush to the studio. I've been they do am I've been they do this live stream for my this thing for shop, but I have to like come here now so that there will not be distraction. You get? I have to come here so that there won't be distraction. So let's go straight. Let's go straight. Let's go straight. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share a screen so that we'll do analysis. Then we'll look for an opportunity. You understand? If there will be any opportunity for us to take a trade together, I would love to take a trade with you guys so that we'll see what's going to happen, and so that we're all going to see what will happen. So that we're all going to see what will happen. You understand? I don't know why the screen don't want to, this thing don't want to share screen. Good morning, Active. Chukwebuka, you're highly welcome. I see you. 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 Okay, now we are going. We are going there. Let me try to re-log into my trading view again. Let me try to re-log into my trading view again. Then after I re-log in, then I'll see if I can share screen. Then I'll see if I can share screen. Little bit loading. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. You know, so I'm trying to open my trading view so that I'll just share screen straight ahead. You understand? So that I'll just share screen straight and direct. You understand? So that we'll like do analysis, look for an entry, or if there is no opportunity now, then we'll just do a total breakdown analysis. Then we'll know what to be expecting. Mark our like major support and resistance level out. Then wait for our strategy to play out before we take a trade. You understand? Before we take a trade. So that's what we're going to do. That is exactly what we're going to do. This thing is taking a longer time to upload. I don't know why. To load. Maybe it's because of network also. I don't know. But it's taking a longer time. Network 17. Hope there is nothing to obstruct this network. It has opened. Then let me check if I can share screen now. Let me check if I can share screen now. Let me check if I can share screen now. Let me check if I can share screen now. Still why? Still I cannot share screen. Chrome tab. No. Window. Then entire screen. If na to show entire screen, then na to just show am direct. If na to show entire screen, then na to just show am direct. If na to show entire screen, then na to just show am direct. Let me see. If na to show, can you guys see who's active? Who's active? Who's active? Who is active? Who is active? Who is active? who is active. I'm waiting for you guys, but nevertheless, I'll continue. Maybe you watch after the live stream. You understand? Maybe you watch after the live stream. So this is what I'm going to do here. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to, if I'm sharing my live, my total this thing, then what can you guys even see? Good morning. Okay. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If you can see my screen, let me know on the comment section. Good morning. If you can see my screen, let me know on the comment section. If you can see my screen, let me know on the comment section so that we'll just go ahead straight. If you can see my screen, let me know on the comment section. I just want you guys to be able to see my screen. Then we'll go ahead. I want to know if you can see my screen. Then we'll go ahead. Mm. I want to know if you can see my screen. Then we'll go ahead. Okay, I can see your screen. All right, all right. That's great. That's great. Now, can you see my trading view? Can you see only trading view now? Trading view now. Just let me know, please, real quick. Let me know real quick if you can see only trading view. If you can see only trading view. If you can see only trading view, okay, 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 okay. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. So this is it here. So we are going to like do an analysis, then we'll expect, we'll like look for an entry during this London section, and if there is no entry during this London section, then we'll be expecting an entry during New York section. You understand? This is where I'm expecting the market to like retrace to. You understand? Before we do anything concerning buy. You understand? So this is it here. On Euro USD, let me check Euro USD. There is one this thing I do on Euro USD yesterday night after every one of you guys left. Ehen, you see ba, you see a fake breakout ba. This is a major resistance level. I do this thing, I say the market will consolidate around this particular area, then it will break up, come to this resistance level, then it will come down. But do you see what the market do? It went up straight. You understand? But before it went up, look at this particular engulfing candle. You understand? Ade been am on my screen and for take a trade, at least target 1 to 1 because of this particular engulfing candle, because this is a healthy engulfing candle. This is a healthy engulfing candle. I don't know if you can see it very clear. This is a very, very healthy engulfing candle. So as the market break above this particular inducement, I've been expecting the market to like break the inducement, tap on the major support level, then break to the downside, because this is where I'm expecting the market to come to before we see any push to the upside. But nevertheless, I'll go to 4 hour time frame now to mark where the market will retrace to, then we can be able to look for entry. You understand? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to clear all this particular drawing now like this. Then we'll go straight to, we'll do a fresh analysis. Then we'll be expecting an entry. You understand? Okay, then let me see. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. As you can see, yesterday daily time frame closed bullish from this particular support level. um If you come, anytime you come on your chart, don't be in the haste to, just take your time and analyze the market to know the direction of the market clean and clear. I'm not going to stay long on this particular chart live stream this morning. I just want to show you guys an important things on the chart. You understand? So if you come on your chart, take your time, analyze the chart very, very well. You understand? As you can see, the market is taking a move from this particular support level to the upside. You understand? Then this is another, this is the resistance level we are targeting. This is the resistance level we are targeting before we see any reaction. You understand? From this particular support level to this resistance level, this is it here. As the market break to the downside, we are expecting it to like retrace to this particular resistance level, or a break to the or a break to the upside. You understand? Maybe do something like this. You understand? Now I'm going to delete this particular one, and this particular one. Then what am I going to do? I'll go to 4 hour time frame now to mark a support, a previous support and resistance level, like where we can be able to look for entry. You understand? That's what I'm going to do now. Where we can be able to look for entry. As you can see, this is a resistance level. On the 4 hour time frame, this is a resistance level. I don't know if you guys are getting. Let me check. Okay. If you are getting what I'm saying, please let me see number one. Even if it's just one person that I have, I'm good to go. If you are getting what I'm saying, let me see number one. If you are getting what I'm saying, let me see a reaction from you. But I'll still continue. But I'll be waiting for your reply. So this is what I'm going to do here. So this is the resistance level where the market is right now, like this. You mark the resistance level out. This is one resistance level. You understand? This resistance level, if we see a lot of consolidation around this particular area, then this resistance level is not going to hold the market. Then we'll be target this particular fair value gap here. You understand? Because inside trend line, like um inside an uptrend, like inside trend, there is a trend inside trend. You understand? That's one language you're supposed to know. There is a trend inside trend. So as we are expecting, this is the major support level and this is the major resistance level. There are still minor resistance level on the chart that the market will react from, and that is the place we'll see our entry. You understand? And confirm our entry from. You understand? Ba? So this is one resistance level. As you can see, this is another resistance level here. This is another resistance level here, because what we are trying to do now is to look for a buying or a selling opportunity. You understand? This is another resistance level here before the market will break to the major resistance level. This and this are the major. This is the major support level. This is the major resistance level. But these ones and this one, these three resistance level that I mark are the minor resistance level where we can possibly look for a buy or a sell opportunity. Okay, we'll see now that the market is on this particular resistance level. So we'll go to 15-minute time frame. Let's see the reaction of the market. You understand? But what I'm seeing, before I'll do anything, I'll tell you guys. If I go to the 15-minute time frame, before I'll do anything, I'll tell you guys what I'll be looking out for on the 15-minute time frame. Because on Monday I did not take a trade. Why? Because I'm looking for something special on the market to look out for first before I'll take a trade on Monday, and that thing did not form. So I did not bother myself to take a trade. And yesterday I see a clean setup and I pack what I supposed to pack. And that is the power of patience. You understand? Power of discipline and patience. Once you can apply that particular power, then you are good to go. Ah, I did not sleep early. As I come like this, I did not sleep early. I sleep around 3 a.m. I even sleep for studio here. You guys will not believe. I sleep for studio here. Mhm. This is where I sleep. I just go house this morning to take my bath, then come back again. You understand? So this is what I'm looking for. The market is on this resistance level. If we see a break out of this resistance level, this particular one will push it back to this place. You understand? This particular one here will push it back. This is how I do my analysis. And just remember that this is a 4 hour time frame. You understand? This is a 4 hour time frame. So now, as I have marked a support and a resistance level out like this, I'll go to 15-minute time frame. You understand? This is 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is what I'll do here. Before I do anything on the chart bar, I'll wait for the market to tap on this particular, either tap as it has break this particular resistance level. As it has break this particular resistance level. If you look closely, the market have break this particular resistance level. So and wait for it to break down, maybe go a bit, tap on this particular one, then break down, clear all the liquidity around this particular area, because there are a lot of people who are going to buy from this particular consolidation. It will come down, clear all the liquidity. This is one area that I'll be looking out for a buy. This is one area that this is one area that I'll be looking out for a buy. I'll delete this particular one now because too much drawing on the chart distracts this thing person. So this is one area that I'll be looking out for a buy, because the market is an uptrend. You understand? The market is moving from a support level to a resistance level. Okay, and this is a minor support level. So I'll be expecting the market to, like, maybe, if the market manage it to reach this particular resistance level, then form something like an M pattern on the 5 minute time frame on Euro USD. You understand? This is exactly what I'll be looking out for. And if not, until I see something like, see a W pattern from this particular support level, I'm not going to take a sell and I'm not going to take a buy. You understand? Until the market break below this particular support level before I'll look out for a sell or a buy. And the strategy that I teach you, whenever you see that W pattern, you understand, from a support level, even if it is a 15-minute support level or 4 hours of support level, whenever you see that W pattern, then with engulfing candle, just enter your trade, target one to one or 1 to 2. If the strategy form from a major support level, target as high as 1 to 4. You understand? But if the strategy form from a minor support level, target 1 to 1, 1 to 2, clean. You understand? When we reach 1 to 1, take partial profits. You understand? Then leave the remaining one till e come to hit your SL or e go to your TP. You understand? Target just 1 to 2 when it is on a minor support level. You understand? But if it come to a major support level, target as much as 1 to 4. You understand? It's going to play out. But this particular one like this, if the market can be able to come down to this particular support level and I get my entry, that 15 minutes engulfing candle, I get it from here, I'll target 1 to 3. You understand? But I will not suggest that for you. I'll suggest you target 1 to 2, till you master the strategy. Then make sure your maximum risk will be, your maximum stop loss will be 20 pip. Then you target 40 pip. And if the market come to this particular support level and you enter from here, somewhere around here, this is where you are going to take out your profit. You understand? Then if you can be able to just take partial profits and put the remaining one on break even, then you target this particular next resistance level. You understand? That one is almost 1 to, this is 1 to 4. You understand? Then but by then, if you reach 1 to 2, take out partial profit and go and put the remaining one on break even. Then let the worst happen. You understand? That one, if it come down to hit your break even, you are fine. And if it go up to hit your take profit, that is great and good. You understand? So that's what I want you guys to do, to keep doing till you get yourself right first. You get the strategy right. You understand? That's what I want you guys to be doing. So on Euro USD, this is what I'm looking out for. I'll be waiting for the market to come to this particular support level. You can mark it out on your chart now like this. I'll be waiting for the market to come to this particular support level. Then I'll wait for a W pattern on the 5 minute time frame. You understand? Then wait for a bullish engulfing candle from on the 15 minute time frame. Then I'll enter for a buy. My maximum risk will be 15 pip and my take profit will be 1 to 2. You understand? After 1 to 2, I'll take partial profit, then put the remaining one on break even. Do you get? If you follow what I said, let me see a reaction from you too. If you are following, let me see a reaction from you. All right, all right. You are following, Rachel. You are following. You are following. You are following. I appreciate that. appreciate that, appreciate that, appreciate that. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. So I'll be expecting any pair you want me to analyze for you during this London section. Just let me know on the comments. Any pair at all you want me to analyze for you, let me know on the comments. Let me know. So this is what I'm expecting on Euro USD. I'll go to JP USD to analyze same thing. Mm. I'll take a picture of this particular one. Then I even need to send the picture to my Telegram group also. What I'm looking out for. But if it play out the way I want it, then I'll send a signal to the Telegram group. That's what I'm going to do. If it play out the way I want, if it play out, because let me just tell you something. If you want to like move from a losing path to a profitable path, you need to stick to your plan. Let what you are looking for on the market work out first before you take your trade. If not, if you jump on a trade simply because you want to take a trade, you will be losing until you quit trading. You understand? Or you learn the hard way. That is the only thing. You understand? I'll be waiting for your question. Just a minute. I'll be waiting for your question. A minute. I'll be waiting for your question. All right. Let me check if there is any question. Let me check if there is any question or any pair you guys want me to analyze. If there's any pair you guys want me to analyze, so means this one is okay for you guys with that. So I for say let's wait for the market to come to this particular resistance level, then we'll enter for a sell. But no, I'll wait for my clean strategy because that is what is generating money for me. You understand? I'll wait for my clean strategy. If the market like, let it come to this particular support level, and if you like, let it not come. But I'll not take a trade until I see my clean strategy. That is it. And I promise myself that this particular week I'm going to end it in profit, just the way I end last week in profit. So I'm not going to do anything outside apart from my trading plan. Anything outside my trading plan, I'm not going to do that. You understand? If not, I for say, let's take a buy, let's take a sell, from here. Put your stop loss above this particular resistance level, this and that. But no, I don't do my own like that. I will teach you the right way that you yourself can be able to follow it. You understand? Even if I'm not live here with you guys, so that you can be able to take a trade by yourself. If I lead you the wrong way, that is how you are going to like depend on somebody to do analysis for you. But if you learn how to do a simple analysis, you not wait for anybody to give you signal, or you not wait for anybody to analyze for you again. My own is to teach you how to catch fish, not to give you fish. You understand? So if you come on your chart, learn how to do a simple technical analysis so that you will not depend on anybody. If you are a trader and you are here, you know how much you have lost, because of taking the signal from a mentor. You understand, that you think is the perfect, or is the god in the market. You understand? So I'm not here to like give you guys what was not the best. You understand? I'm here to give you guys the best. Mm. So I'm not going to tell you guys to take a sell from here. I'll wait for them since the market have moved from this particular major support level. wait for it to come to this support level, this minor support level before we look for our entry. And if it come to this minor support level and we not see our entry, then we'll be waiting for it to come down again. You understand? Then we'll be waiting for it to come down to the next support level. Make sure you take your trade. If you want to like take the step that I take, that makes me profitable, then stick to what I'm telling you. Make sure the market come to its support level, give you a clean W pattern and an engulfing candle before you take any action. You understand? This is another support level here. So if the market come to this one and you do not see that W pattern on the 5 minute time frame and a bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame, just leave it. Means the market is still going to break to this particular next support level. You understand? So just be targeting a support level and target a support level, a bullish engulfing W pattern on the 5 minute time frame if you want to take a trade as a scalper or a day trader, a W pattern on the 5 minute time frame, then a bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame. Those three things is just going to make you profitable. You understand? Those three things is going to make you profitable. Then discipline yourself enough to stay out of the market. If your strategy did not play out, stay out of the market. Simple as that. You are good to go. So we are going to the APUSD. We are going to JPUSD. Let me take a screenshot, a picture of this. We are going to JPUSD. Let's go to JPUSD real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. There is no time. Anything 9 o'clock. I'm going to leave this particular live section. Okay, this is GBP. As you can see, GBP is breaking to the downside already. GBP is breaking to the downside already. And where exactly am I expecting it to come? You understand? Where exactly am I expecting it to come? I'm expecting it to come to this particular support level. You understand? Mm, Either this support level is only people who don't know how to do a simple technical analysis that always chop stop loss. It's only people who don't have the mind to wait for their strategy to play out. And they don't want to learn how to do a simple technical analysis. They are the one that is going to chop stop loss until they quit trading. Mm. As they tell you guys, as you dey hear news every time that is only 1% out of 100 that is a profitable trader, do you think it's a joke? Before you become a profitable trader, you need to be mentally, physically, emotionally strong. And it's not everybody that can combine that together. No. So trading is not for everybody. You understand? But it's for you if you take it serious. Trading is not for everybody, but it's for you if you take it serious. So I'll be expecting the market to come to this particular support level, give me the same pattern, just as I tell you guys. Give me the same pattern from here on the 5 minute time frame. I'll look for it. I'll take a buy from here. I tell you yesterday during this time yesterday, I'm on my chart and I'm going to upload it for you guys. I'm on my chart waiting for the market to give me my strategy, to give me my setup. Market refuse to give me setup from 8 o'clock in the morning till to 1 before my setup play out. Do you see how patient I am? And immediately as the setup play out, I pack how much I make yesterday. Is it not 200 and something dollar? You understand? From the two trade that I take, no lost. Straight. I did not take trade on Monday. You understand? Yesterday I wait patiently for my strategy to play out. This same strategy that I'm teaching you guys now, I wait patiently for it to play out, and it play out. Once it play out and I see that yes, it's clean, I enter and I get what I want. That is what a profitable trader is supposed to be doing. That is what you guys supposed to be doing. You understand? That is what you guys supposed to be doing. Wait for your strategy. Don't be in the haste. Don't be in the haste. So this is it here. This is it here. If the market come to this support level, simple as that. Risk 20 pip, target 40 pip. That one will give you just quick quick as anything, you understand. And let me tell you, if you take a trade and you lost, if you take your first trade, you lost the trade, don't over risk in any trade, no matter how clean the setup look like. Don't over risk, because you don't know what will be the outcome. Don't over risk. And if you take your first trade and you lost it, wait for another setup, another clean setup to play out, you understand. Maybe if the market come to this particular place, give you a W pattern and engulfing candle, but once e give you that engulfing candle, it will be very hard for it to come down and hit your SL. You understand? It will be very, very hard. I know what I'm telling you guys. It will be very hard for it to come down and hit your SL. But it's like, if it come down to hit your SL, wait for it again, you understand, to go to another major support level. And even if it not go to another major support level that day, leave your trade for that day, leave your chart, chill, relax, you understand. It's not compulsory that you take come down to before we look for entry. And this is another support level that I'm looking for, that I'm seeing, you understand. This is one support level, and this is another support level down here. This is another support level. Don't risk more than 20 pip. Don't risk one more than 20 pip. 20 pip max, then 40 pip. 1 to 2, always 1 to 2. You understand? 1 to 2 always. Don't do more than that until you know this particular strategy very, very well before you can do anything you want. You understand? This is what I'm looking out for on DVP. As you can see, this is a major support level on the 50-minute time frame. You understand? I will not call it a major support level. I call a major support level from 4 hour time frame. This is a minor support level where I will be expecting the market to move from to the upside, and this is another minor support level where I will be expecting the market to move from to the upside. You understand? If eventually the market come to this particular support level, the market come to this particular support level and break below this support level, you see a little retest, then come down to this support level, into this next support level for this particular thing to form. You understand? Wait for it to form, no matter what. If this particular pattern no form, no just enter your trade. That's it. If this pattern no form, no just enter your trade. All these ones here, even if it will go up, is a trap. Even if it will go up, is a trap. You understand? Even if it will go up, this is an engulfing candle forming from here. You understand? In a less than, like in less than 2 seconds now it will close, and this is an engulf. This one have closed engulf now. You understand? There is a possibility that the market will go to this next resistance level, form something like an M pattern before it break to the downside, but I'm not going to take that risk. It's better I take a clean risk than to take an unnecessary risk, because I'm not seeing any major support level from here that the market will. I've not seen any major support level engulfing candle. It will move up a bit too. You understand? It will move up a bit, but I'm not seeing any major support level around this particular area. And if I go to 5-minute time frame, I will see the reason why it's taking this move. Let me see. Let me see. Mhm. Let me see. There is no way this particular market will not break to the downside. No, no, no. I can't just take a trade like this. I can't just risk take a trade like this, except a bad scalper. It's only a bad scalper that can just take say, and a bad scalper who have enough money that can just say, let me just take this particular quick risk. You understand? I'll just be patiently waiting for the market to come to this support level. You understand? Then you look for your entry. Be patiently waiting for the market to come to this particular support level, then you look for your entry. If not, just stay away from the market. Means the market is not for you today. You understand? Means the market is not for you today. I'm telling you the bitter truth. I'm not here to just make you lose your capital or make you gain times 10 of your capital. I'm I am here to teach you the real thing that I always do on the chart. You understand? The real thing that I always do on the chart. That's what I'm here to teach you. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. I'm here to teach you the real thing that I always do on the chart. Nothing more than that. So this is it here. This is it here. This is it here. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for on GAP as well. So I'll be expecting a question from you guys. If there is any pair at all, the market might just form an M pattern from up here, come down to this support level, then we'll see a W pattern to the upside. So if there is any question or any pair you want me to analyze, let me know. If there is any pair you want me to analyze, let me know. And if you are good with this one, then let me know. Let me know real quick, real quick. I'll be waiting for your question. I'll be waiting for your question. I'll be waiting for your question. You understand? I'll be waiting for your question. Let me see your question. Let me see your question. I'm not here to make you lose. I'm here to make you gain. You understand? That's just my aim. I'm here to make you gain. You understand? Learn my strategy that always work for me. That's what I want you to learn. Not to just make you millions. No, you cannot just make it overnight from three. It's not a get rich quick scheme. That's what you're supposed to have in your at the back of your mind. You understand? Trading is a knowledge that you're supposed to master very very well, so that even if you wake up from your bed, look at the chart, you know what to do. That's what you're supposed to focus on. Know how to do your analysis very very clean, then you can take action whenever you see an opportunity. By then anything you want you can risk. You get? Anything you want you can risk. Rachel, are you still active? Rachel, are you still active? Manuel, Chukwuka Emmanuel, are you still active? If you're active, just let me know. Then BB official, are you still active? Mm? BB official, are you still active? If you're active, just let me know. Let me know. I close my shop because of you guys. Oh. Okay, Rachel, you're active. Thank you. Hope you understand what I'm saying on the chat. Hope you understand what I'm saying on the chat. Please don't do anything aside from what I'm telling you. Please, I'm begging you. Please, don't do anything aside from what I'm telling you on the chat. So let me see. Rachel, you're active. I'm waiting for the other people. Chukwuka Emmanuel, are you active? Are you active? If you're active, let me know. Then who's this again? Chukwuka active. You say you're active, but I've not seen any response from you again. Then okay. I'm just I can say okay. If you are active, let me know. If you are active, let me know. And if you have any favorite pair, you understand, just let me know. Not that you stick to only my own. If you have any favorite pair, just write that pair. If it is USD JPY, if it is BTC USD, if it is AUD USD, if it is LZD USD, just write it on the comment and paste it for me. I will go to that particular pair and analyze it. You don't even know if we can get an opportunity on any particular one and take a trade with it very very quick. Had it been as I come to my chart and I see a clean structure from this particular support level or this particular support level, we for take a trade together so that you guys will see that yes, no be cho. So that you guys will see that yes, no be cho. I just want to show you guys working, and I cannot show you guys working while we are losing. No, I'll wait for the clean setup. No, yes, I'll wait for a clean setup. Wait for a clean setup. Then I'll give it to you guys. Then we'll take it. I'm not the type that will just say, buy. Oh, SL hit. Buy, SL hit. No, I'm not that type. I'll wait for a clean setup. If I see a clean setup and SL hit, I will know that yes, I wait for my strategy and it hits me out. That one, I will not bother myself. But if I not wait for a clean setup and SL hit, that one will pay me and pay my spirit. You understand? That one will pain my spirit. That will pain my spirit. You understand? That will pain my spirit. So let's go to which pair again are we going to analyze? I've analyzed Euro USD, JP USD. Mm? I've analyzed Euro USD and JP USD. Which pair again? Which pair again? Since you guys don't want to like suggest anyone for us, since you guys don't want to suggest anyone for us, Rachel, come up. Okay, you trade only Euro USD and JP USD, so I'm not expecting this thing, any suggestion from you. But if there is anyone you still want me to do, just let me know. If there's remaining XAUSD talk, let me go to that. Let me go to that. Make I take water. I never eat anything today. Make I take water. I never eat anything today. Make I take water. Ah, I never ate anything today, so I need to take water. Make I get energy. I need to take water. Make I get energy. So XAUSD. That's what we are going to analyze now. XAUSD. I will not go to higher time frame on XAUSD. Do you know why? Because what is doing, what XAUSD is doing is not even giving any sign of coming to the downside at all. After, I think I'm on a live till 12 something. You understand? Yesterday when the market was around here, I think the market will take a sell from here. Oh, you understand? But moreover, there's no any sign of taking a sell here. So I'm going to clean everything. I'm going to clean everything. Like, I'm going to tell you what you're supposed to be looking out for on XAUSD. As you can see, this week at all, in this week as a whole, I'm not even looking. I'm not even seeing, like, I don't look SAUSD side, because what XAUSD is doing I no really understand on this period. It's just going up, going up, going up. It's not like XAUSD did not come to any major support level. Let me show you what XAUSD is doing now. See, so please, if you are seeing my screen, let me see. If you are seeing my screen, let me see. I can see your screen. All right, that's very great. That's very great. So this is what XAUSD is doing. I'll be marking it out for you now. This is 15-minute time frame, not 4 hour time frame. Oh. See, mm, since the market break above this particular resistance level, it come down, retest. Let me even carry it from here. This is 15-minute time frame. You understand? It come down, retest this particular one, turn this one to a support level, retest it, move up. You understand? It take this aggressive move to the upside. See another one again. No any serious retracement for person to enter. No any serious retracement for person to enter. That's the reason why I don't even want to look that side at all. As you can see, this is another 15-minute support level. It tap on it, go up again. So yeah, look at it. I've been studying this move for the longest. I said, oh, this is not the right time for me to take trade on XAUSD. Let me just stick to this what XAUSD is doing. Let me show you what XAUSD is doing. If you are seeing my screen, then you just stick to this what XAUSD is doing. But the bitter truth is, you don't know when it's going to break to the downside. That is the thing. So this is what it's been doing. It break above this particular, like as it move from here, it break above this particular resistance level, goes consolidate, tap on it, spike up. You understand? After it break above this particular one, it consolidate, like it spike immediately, tap on it, then go. Break above this particular one again, break above this particular one again, come back, tap on it. You understand? This is 15-minute time frame. Oh. Then since then it's been going. Like, if you want to take a trade on XAUUSD now, what you'll be looking for, let me tell you. maybe I'll take that particular trade as well. You understand? Because I've seen all this structure, I've seen all what it's doing from here. This is what it will do. um it will come and tap on this particular support level, this particular one here. It will come and tap on this particular support level, then I'll go to 5 minute time frame. I'll go to 5 minute time frame now. Then I'll be waiting for it. You understand? This particular support level on the 15 minute time frame, I'll go to 5 minute time frame if I want to risk, and if I don't want to risk, I'll just leave it, because the way it's going, the coming down will be very massive, and maybe people start to dey cry just the way this thing do them, crypto do them. You understand? So as it's going like this is where I'll be expecting the market to come on the this is 5 minute time frame. You understand? I'll expect it to, as e move from here like this, as e move from this, break above this particular resistance level, I'll wait for it to like come to this particular. This is what I'm going to do. You understand? If I want to take a trade on XAUSD presently, according to what it's been doing, you understand? I'll follow it jelly that way. You understand? I'll follow it that way. According to what it's been doing, I'll wait for it to come down to this particular support level on the 5 minute time frame. Then it's either I'll look for a W pattern or a bullish engulfing candle. Then I'll just take a trade. Then risk. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm not going to even risk anything much. Once I see a bullish engulfing candle on the 5 minute time frame, I'll put my stop loss below that particular engulfing candle. Maybe give it a small breathing space, then I'll target 1 to 2. And then I'll target 1 to 2. Because what XAUSD is doing, I don't really understand it this period. That's the reason why I've not looked for entry. Yesterday I looked for entry on it. It refused to do what I want. Yes, yesterday I looked for entry on XAUSD. It refused to do what I want, and I leave it jeje. That is why I've not chop SL on it. I leave it jeje. You understand? So whatever you are analyzing any pair and you don't understand the way it's moving, just leave it. Any pair that you cannot just come to your screen and look at it and know the direction, know what the market is doing, that pair is not for you that particular period. You understand? That pair is not for you to trade that particular period. So take that, take it very, take that advice very serious. Whenever you come to your chart and you look at the chart like this and you don't know what the market is doing, just leave that particular trade that time, that period. If not, if you do anything, you are going to chop SL straight, no delay sef. You are going to chop SL. So this is what I'll be looking out for. If the market can be able to come to this particular support level, I'll look for a bullish engulfing candle, then I'll take a buy from here. You understand? Maybe I'll send it to my Telegram group. A video that I'm going to post from any moment from now. I'm going to post a video. My Telegram channel link will be in the description. Just check the description of that particular video if you want to be part of that Telegram. Maybe if the market come to this particular support level and I see what I'm looking for, I'll take it buy. You understand? That's what I'm going to do. I'll take it buy to the upside. You understand? So this is what I'm looking out for on XAUSD. Yeah, exactly what I'm looking out for on SAUSD. Then okay. Oh, there's a lot of question now. Okay. Remain XAUSD. Okay, I can't see your screen. Jesus Christ. Because we are not seeing your screen. Jesus. Not seeing your screen. Jesus, what is happening? What is happening? Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm the cause of it. You guys should forgive me. I'm the cause of it. And na me cause am, na me cause am, na me cause am. Oh, so I'm going to repeat everything I'm saying since. Jesus. So I'm still going to repeat everything I'm saying. Oh God. Na me cause am. See what I do. I just place my Sha, we learn every day. You guys should forgive me. We learn every day. So this is it here. Can you see my screen now? If you can see my screen now, please let me know. If you can see my screen now, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. If you can see my screen, please let me know. Real quick. Real quick. Real quick. I need to call off the this thing, the live stream now, but I'll still take a little time with you guys. I'll see with you guys a bit. If you can see my screen now, let me know, please. If you can see my screen now, let me know. If you can see my screen now, let me know. Let me know. Let me know so that I'll proceed. If you can see my screen now, let me know. Good morning. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Ahmed Ayomide. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? Are you still active? Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen now, please? If you can see my screen now, let me know so that I will go straight to the analysis again. Let me just brush through it real quick. If you can see my screen now, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Chukwuka Emmanuel, you are welcome. You are welcome. Chukwuka Emmanuel, are you active? Are you guys still active? Okay, I can see your screen now. All right. That's very great from you. That's very great. That's very great. I'm the one that caused it. Let me do that mistake. Let me do that mistake. So this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying here. Hmm? This is what XAUSD is doing. This is what XAUSD is doing. Just as I'm saying it, you guys are just hearing my voice, not seeing the screen. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This is what XAUSD is doing. See, there's no any serious retracement to the downside. There's no any serious pullback. This is 15-minute time frame. It break above this resistance level, go up. Let me carry this arrow so that you guys can see it very clear now. It break above this resistance level, break above this resistance level, go up, come down. You understand? So this is what I'm expecting on it now. Since it don't want to give any serious retest the resistance level, then patterns is been doing go up. This is what it's been doing. You understand? So this is what I'm expecting on it now. Since it don't want to give any serious pullback, I'll be waiting for it to come to this minor support level on the 5 minute time frame. I'll be waiting for it to come to this minor support level. Then I'll wait for my pattern to form. You understand? I'll be waiting for it to come to this minor support level. XAUSD, I'll be waiting for it to come to this minor support level. Then on the this is 5 minute time frame. Then I'll wait for a W pattern or an engulfing candle. Then we'll follow it to the upside. This is what I'm going to do. But if you are taking this type of trade, as you don't want to take any serious pullback, take it with sense. Use proper risk management. Don't even over risk on trade now like this. Don't over risk on trade and don't just jump on it. Don't jump on it because it's trending up, because you will not allow what's happened. I will not allow what's happened to people on crypto to happen to you guys on XAUSD. You understand? People think as crypto is going up, it will still continue going to the upside. But no, whatever goes up must come down. As gold is going up, you must see a serious pullback. You understand? So take take a risk that you can afford to lose on gold. You understand? So you wait for it to retest this particular support level, then wait for a W pattern with engulfing candle, maybe from 5 minute time frame, then you enter. Because this engulfing candle that I always tell you guys, man, it work from every time frame. You understand? It work from every time frame. You understand? Let me give you an example. This is an engulfing candle here. You understand? This is an engulfing candle here, and since then the market is moving up. This is an engulfing candle engulfing candle. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I see an engulfing candle somewhere, and the market is moving up. Why everything sees? Why everything sees? Why everything? Okay. So this is an engulfing candle here. Since then it not go below this particular engulfing candle. At least if you dey enter, you give a breathing space. It goes to the upside. This is another engulfing candle here. You understand? This is another engulfing candle here. All this one is even on the 5 minute time frame. Oh. This is another engulfing candle here. So if the market come to this particular support level, if it can be able to come to this particular support level, I'll look for a bullish engulfing candle on the 5 minute time frame. Since you don't want to have any serious pullback, I'll look for a bullish engulfing candle on the 5 minute time frame. Then I'll enter for a buy from this particular support level. This is the only support level that I can take a buy from on XAU USD. You guys get me? If you understand, let me see, a reaction. If you understand, let me see a reaction. If you understand, let me see a reaction. If you understand, let me see a reaction. So what I have to tell you guys is, don't take any serious risk. Okay, I understand. That's very great. That's very great. So don't take any serious risk on gold now like this, because nobody know when it's going to take a serious pullback. Don't be part of people who are going to lose when it's taking a serious pullback, because it cannot continue to be going up like that, and the retracement is giving is not a healthy retracement. You understand? So don't be part of those that will lose their money when the market is crashing to the downside. Don't say I did not tell you. Don't say I did not tell you. You understand? Don't say I did not tell you. Ayomide, do you understand? Ahmed Ayomide, do you understand? This your name. I like this your name. Hausa and Yoruba name combined together. See lovely name. Ayomide, do you understand? Do you understand? If you understand, let me see a reaction from you. Then Chukwuka, I don't know if you are still active. This is morning time. I know you guys will go to work and the rest. This is morning time. This is morning time. I know you guys will go to work. You guys will go to work. Even me, I'm supposed to be in the shop now, but I lock it because of you guys. I lock it because of you guys. So if you understand, let me see a reaction from you. I know you, Rachel, understand already, and that's what I love. I love that. 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 So, Ayomide, are you still active? If you are active, let me see a reaction from you. This you Ayomide, are not you are not too active like that. I don't know why. You are not too active. Is it network or is it? Please take trading serious. Oh. That's what is going to change your life for like forever. Trading is the only thing that will change your life. No any work you are going to apply anywhere. You can be at your bed, lie down, you understand, and take your trade and be successful. Yes. Okay. Victor, you are here already. Victor, you are here, you are here, you are here. That's very great from you. Victor, you are welcome, you are welcome. This one that you are just coming. Good morning, good morning. I see you. This one that you are just coming is like you just go through the live video. You understand? You go through the live video, or if there is any pair you want me to like analyze for you now, just let me know very quick. If there is any pair you want me to analyze for you, let me know very quick so that we'll brush through that. Since you are just coming, if there is any pair you want me to analyze, let me know. Let me know because we have done almost everything we need to do during those London section. Then don't forget to come. Okay, sir. Just let me know. Then don't forget to come on our live discussion during evening. That is where we do a top-down analysis and have one-on-one conversation. You understand? That's when we do the real live. You understand? One-on-one conversation. Okay, GBP USD. All right, I'm going to GBP USD now to do it for you. But you guys should not forget to come on our live section, live video in the evening, anything 8 p.m. sharp. 8 p.m. sharp will be live. 8 p.m. sharp. share you see what gold is doing. But this is where I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for gold around here. I'm not going to jump on the trade. Gold is not even serious this period at all. It's not serious. God is not serious this period. GBP USD. Just as I said, this is where I'm looking out for. Hmm? This is what I'm looking out for on GBP. As you can see, shey I tell you that experience, don't joke with experience o. You guys that that is here when this particular bullish engulfing candle form, I told you guys that it's not going anywhere. You understand? Only people who take this type of trade are people who really want to like take a quick scalp and they have the money to risk. They are the one that can take this particular trade. You understand? As you can see, the market have give a bearish candle. This is the support level I mark out for the market to come. Then we look for a W pattern on the 5 minute time frame, then a bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame before we take a buy. And if we not see that particular structure from the support level, then we'll wait for the market to like come to this major one, come to this down one here, then we'll see a pattern from here, then we'll take a trade from here. You understand? This is exactly what we'll do on GBP USD. Victor, I don't know if you understand. You can take a screenshot, then wait for the market to play out. Take a screenshot, go to your screen and mark it out. You understand? Then wait for a clean W pattern with engulfing candle. W pattern on the 5 minute time frame, then engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame. Then you take your trade. If you see a W pattern on the 5 minute time frame and you do not see a bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame, please don't take the trade though. Don't say I did not tell you. Don't just use only W pattern to take your trade. No, it work but not every time. You understand? The one me I believe on is a W pattern on the 5 minute time frame, then a bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame. That is the one I believe. You understand? Then this is where I want the market to come. You understand? This is where I want the market to come before we look for that particular pattern. So Victor, do you understand? Victor, do you understand? Okay, okay, I'm understanding you. All right. That's very great. That's very great. So this is what we'll say. You understand? So wait for the market to come to this particular support level, then you take action. You understand? Don't just take action when the market comes to the support level. Wait for it to give you a W pattern on the 5 minute time frame, then a bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame. Then you can enter your trade to the upside. Target 1 to 2 max, 1 to 2. Then your risk just 20 pip. You understand? Risk just 20 pip. 20 pip is what you're supposed to be risking per, like as you are beginning to learn this particular strategy. Only 20 pip is okay for you. 20 pip is okay for you. 20 pip is okay for you. Time will come that you even risk as low as 10 pip. By then you have mastered the strategy well, but presently now risk 20 pip, then target 40 pip. Don't be greedy. You understand? Don't be greedy. Let the market come down to this support level, then we'll take action. You understand? Let the market come down to this support level, then we'll take action. It will take time. If not, I for say let just dey on the live stream till the market come to this particular support level, then we'll take action. But let's still wait and see. You understand? Because this push, see the push to the downside. um See the push, is pushing to the downside. I'm expecting it to come to this particular support level, then we'll take action. And if it break below this particular support level, it will retest, then come to this major support level, then we'll take action from here. That's what we'll do on GBP USD. Is there any other thing? Is there any other question? Is there any other question? Is there any other question? If there is any other question, don't hesitate to let me know, please. Just ask me a question. Ask me a question so that we'll go. I'm waiting for your question. I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting for your questions. I plan to just spend 1 hour on this trade, on this London section video. You understand? But this is 1 hour 16 minutes now. So I'll be waiting for your question. I'll be waiting for your question. USDJPY is coming down to fill that particular gap. I saw that yesterday. USDJPY is coming down. Beatrice is Beatrice that used to ask question on USDJPY, but I don't know why she's not that active. But I understand, Sha. It's not every day. It's not every day that somebody will be active. Mm. Can you see? This is what I do yesterday night. After all of na go leave the live session for me alone. This is the setup that I placed. You understand? After everybody leave me alone here, this is the setup, and I'll tell you guys what I see before I put this particular setup. You understand? I'll show you guys what I see before I put this setup yesterday, and no any drawdown at all, just plain directly the way I predict it yesterday. Around what time sef that I put this setup? Around 12 something, when I'm analyzing BTC USD. It's only me and one guy. We are the only one that on that particular live this thing around 12 a.m. You understand? See USD JPY. I did I dey take trade on USD JPY, and for don chop almost 1 to 2. You understand? And for don chop, this is 1 to 1.5. This is 1 to 1.5 before it's reversing to the upside, but it's not going anywhere. And this is the support level the market is coming to. This is the support level the market is coming to. It's not going anywhere. USD JPY is not going anywhere. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, USD JPY is not going anywhere. You understand? USD JPY is not going anywhere. So after you guys left the live session yesterday night, I do the analysis, and this is what I see on it before I put up a buy order yesterday. Is it buy order? Before I put that sell order. You understand? So on the 4 hour time frame, let me show you guys the secret. Mm. See, on the 4 hour time frame, what exactly are you seeing? Mm. Here is a bearish engulfing candle. Here is a bearish engulfing candle, and here this particular time yesterday, as I see this particular two bearish engulfing candle, I say, Kai, the market is not going anywhere from here. You understand? So the market is just open that time. The market just open that particular period. So I put myself order for here. My stop loss is above this particular bearish engulfing candle, and as you can see, it go close to 1 to 2. You understand? But it's still coming down. It's still coming down. That's what I know. It's still coming down to this particular major support level before we see any retracement. But this is the main target. This is the main target. See, this is daily time frame, this is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is the main target on USDJPY. This particular gap is my main target. As you can see, this is a bearish engulfing candle. You understand? This is a bearish engulfing candle. This is my major target. The market must come down to fill this particular gap. The market, I told you guys, I've been preaching about this particular gap since last week, that the market opened with this gap. I told you, no matter how far the market goes, it must come down to fill this particular gap. This gap is where the market is coming. You understand? The market is coming to this gap to fill it. So, but for in a short period of time, this is the major support level the market will tap on. You understand? This is the major support level the market will tap on before we see any retracement to the upside. You understand? So this is what I see yesterday. This bearish engulfing candle. Then I put my sell order here, and immediately the market peak and going to the downside. You understand? This particular one that you are seeing is just a little retracement. If I go to the 15-minute time frame, I will see what is happening. As you can see, on the 15-minute time frame, as the market is moving to the upside, there is no any bullish engulfing candle. That's even the sign that the market is not going anywhere. There is no any sign of bullish engulfing candle, and the market have not even touched the support level. Is a sign that it's not going anywhere. You understand? It will just go, maybe retest this particular it will not even reach this particular area. If e reach this particular, or it will be under probability before the market will reach this area. So it will like go like this. um it will go like this. It will go like this, then we'll see a break to the downside. This is what I'll be expecting, to go like this and see a break to the downside. This is what exactly I'm expecting. This is what exactly I'm expecting on USD JPY. So if there's any pair you want me to analyze, just let me know real quick. Let me know real quick, real quick. Let me know, let me know, let me know. We have just less than 8 minutes to go. We have less than 8 minutes to go. So if there is any pair you want me to analyze, just let me know. If there is any pair you want me to analyze, let me know, let me know real quick. If there is any pair you want me to analyze, let me know. If there is any pair you want me to analyze, let me know. So this is the time we come on the live section, 8 a.m. during London section, and 8 p.m. to have a general discussion as a trader, as one family. You understand? So be part of it so that you learn what will change your life forever. Be part of this particular live stream so that you learn what will change your life forever. You can be able to ask questions, whatever you are passing through on the chat, bring it. If you are having back to back loss, tell me, we will solve it together. If you are having back to back loss, tell me, we can solve it together. If you are having any issue at all, if na emotion be your problem, bring it. If na anything wey be your problem at all, bring it during 8 p.m. top down analysis and general discussion. 8 p.m. top down analysis and general discussion. That one is just general discussion and top down analysis. You understand? General discussion and top down analysis. That's what we do on the chat during 8 p.m. You understand? Then during London section, 8 a.m. every day is top down to like look for entry, so that I'll take a trade together. And if there is no entry, I'll tell you guys what I'll be like looking for on the chart. You understand? Tell you guys what I'll be looking for on the chart. So if there is any question, just let me know. If there is any question, let me know, real quick. If there is any question. We have less than 6 minutes to go. So let me know if there is any question. If there is anything you don't understand so far, just let me know. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for your question. If there is anything you don't understand, just let me know. I'll be waiting for your question. If there is anything you don't understand, let me know. I'll be waiting for your question. We don't have enough time to spend today, this morning. We don't have enough time to spend this morning. Anything 9:30. If I spend 1 hour 30 minutes on this live, I don't try be that. If I spend 1 hour 30 minutes on this live, I don't try be that. Means we'll see later in the evening. If there is any question that you want to ask, gather your question, then bring it on our live section in the evening. Gather your question. Anything you are passing through on the chat, just come and ask that question. Don't be shy. Don't see, here is a place for you to learn. Don't pass through what you are passing through alone. How can I start a channel like you? That one will be a secret this thing. That one will be a secret chat. Yes, this your question will be a secret chat, not on a live section here. All we'll discuss here is like we'll discuss only on the chat here, and what will benefit you, what you're supposed to do on the chat to take your trade profitably. That's what we'll discuss here. You understand? Not this your question here. If you want, if you want, if you want me to guide you on what to do concerning what this your question, you hit me secretly. That one is on my DM. Come to my DM and ask that question. I'll tell you everything that is involved. I'll tell you everything that is involved. Yeah. Thank God you understand. I'll tell you everything that is involved. Everything that we are doing here is concerning chat. Everything we are doing here is concerning chat. Chat. Yeah. Everything we are doing here is concerning chat. Anything aside chat is not advisable here. And if you don't have my WhatsApp number, I can put my WhatsApp number for you real quick. If you don't have my WhatsApp number, just ask for it. I'll put my WhatsApp number for you. That one is a separate talk. I'll put my WhatsApp number for you if you don't have my WhatsApp number. Victor Furniture. If you don't have my WhatsApp number, just ask for my WhatsApp number, then I'll put it for you. So any question before we call it a day? Have less than 2 minutes to go. We'll have less than 2 minutes to go. We have less than 2 minutes to go. And if I have chance during New Year section, I will come on the live section here to take a trip with you guys. That one if I have chance. But when at the major time where I always come on my live stream here on YouTube is 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. You get 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Come on the live section, ask any question you want. You understand? Tell me what you are passing through. Tell me what you want me to do for you. Then we'll discuss. 8 a.m. Okay, drop it. I should drop it. I should drop it. Okay. Let me drop it. 070 8311 9905. 070 8311 9905. That's it. That's it. Somebody said I should not be direct posting my WhatsApp number, and you guys they always ask for my WhatsApp number, but no be anybody get the channel for me. Sha. I'm here to just give value. If you need a separate this thing section, you reach me on WhatsApp. That's my business here. You understand? If you want to be learning from my YouTube, if you want to if you want to be learning alone, like learn my strategy alone, learn how I trade alone, just stick to my YouTube. It's not I'm not forcing anybody to come to my WhatsApp. You understand? If you come to my WhatsApp means you come for something. That's just it. Mm? So I'm not posting it for to like to just direct you there to scam you. No, if you that is coming to my WhatsApp, you know that yes, you are bringing a secret questions. You understand? If it is anything concerning chat, let it be let it be YouTube here. But if there is any secret thing that you want me to do, let it be WhatsApp. You understand? Everything I do on the live stream here is a general discussion concerning trading and a general discussion on and my total please check GPUSD and time is up already. Please check GPUSD. Let me check let me check real quick. Maybe something is happening. Let me check GPUSD. Nothing happened yet. Nothing serious is happening yet. Just wait for the market to come to this support level, then you wait for a W pattern, then you take your trade from here. That's what I'll be looking out for. And if I take the trade, I'm going to like show you guys. If I take the trade, I'm going to show you guys if I take the trade. You understand? If I take the trade, I'm going to show you guys. Because if we come to this particular support level and I see a W pattern on 5 minute time frame with a bullish engulfing candle, definitely I'm going to take the trade. You understand? I'm going to take it. But if I do not see a bullish engulfing candle, if it comes to this particular support level, I'm not going to take the trade. You understand? That's what you need to know. That's what you need to know. And that is what I always do. You understand? So I'm waiting for the market to come to this particular support level, then I'll wait for it to give a W pattern just as you can see. Then I'll wait for a bullish engulfing candle from here before I do anything. Aside that, let it go to where you want to go. E no concern me. You understand? E no concern me. It's not a must that I take a trade today. Don't let it be like, don't see it as a compulsory for you to take a trade anytime, any day. No, it's not a compulsory for you to take a trade every day. You understand? Wait for your strategy to play out very clean and clear before you do anything. Then Ahmed Ayomide, as you are coming to WhatsApp, go straight to the point too. Go straight to the point. um you know what you are coming to do, so we will go straight to the point and I'll tell you what is inside. You just go straight to the point. Any question before I call it a day? Any question before I call it a day? Let me check Euro USD real quick. I'm sell on GBP USD. If you sell GBP USD, is still good because I'm expecting it to come to that particular support level that I told you. But me, I don take an unnecessary risk. That's just it. I'm expecting it to come to this particular support level. If you take a sell, so you are still correct. This is where I'm expecting it to come. It will come here before I do anything. Do you know why? If you go to the 4 hour time frame, you see that the market is going up. You understand? This is 4 hour time frame. This is a bullish engulfing candle, and this is the market is on the resistance level. Actually, that's the reason why I'm waiting for it to come to this support level before I take action. So if you take a sell, you are still right if it give you profit, and if it don't give you profit, if you take any position, one thing must happen out of two: either it end in profit or it end in loss. That's just it. If you can be able to bear it like that, that's it. But me, the reason why I'm not going to take a sell is because I don't want to do anything that will like against my trading plan. That's just it. I don't know what is in your trading plan. So if you take a sell, you are right. I don't want to do anything outside my trading plan. That's the reason why I'm not going to take any sell. If not, I'm expecting it to come to that particular support level. You understand? I'm expecting it to go to come to that particular support level. So if you take a sell, you are still right. You are still right. You are still right. But once you take a trade, just have it in mind that one thing will happen out of two: either your SL or your TP. You understand? But one thing you need to be focused on is let your win be more than your loss, then you are good to go. Let your win be more than your loss, then you are good to go. Let your win be more than your loss, then you are good to go. Any question before I call it a day? 5 minutes have added. 5 minutes have added. I don't mind spend the whole day with you guys, but I need to go to shop. There's nobody in my shop now like this. Any question? Any question? Rachel, are you still active? Rachel, are you still active? Make us see you clear. Oh. Are you still active? Rachel, are you still active? Make I see you. 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 Any question, 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 any question. I'm waiting for your question. I give you guys extra 10 minutes. Means that 10 minutes now, because of the question Ayomide asked, that is the reason why I add that 10 minutes. So we have less than 3 minutes now to go. We have less than 3 minutes to go. We have less than 3 minutes to go. We have less than 3 minutes to go. Yeah. We have less than 3 minutes to go. Less than 3 minutes to go. Okay. Maximize ke minimize dey. Then this thing wey I go do like this, hope say I can. Hmm? I don go press something I don't understand again. No, I don go press something wey I no understand. Okay, it's down here. Is it? I don go press something wey I no understand, but what would happen is we call it a day. 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 Yep. Okay. Mo pe o. How did you use to mark your zone? Ayomide. Kai na wow. Kai. And I have just 1 minute to go. I have just 1 minute to go. But let me just brush straight for you. Since you are on a trade on GPUSD, let me brush straight for you. I've taken a screenshot of this already. Let me. I'll go to, like, if I come on my chart, this is what I do. I go to one daily time frame. I'll see how daily time frame close. You understand? I'll see how yesterday daily time frame close. Let me hide this. I'll see how yesterday daily time frame close. As you can see, yesterday daily time frame give us this hammer. You understand? This particular candlestick, they call it hammer on the chart. I know you know that particular one because languages is all you guys know how to like study. Una sabi study language in the market very very well. So this is what they call hammer. You understand? So as this hammer closed yesterday, I'll go to 4 hour time frame. When I go to the 4 hour time frame, I'll mark a major support and a resistance level out. Here is one support level. If I on anything now, everything will pop up. So let me see. On the 4 hour time frame, I'll mark a support and resistance level out. You understand? Then I'll go to 15-minute time frame. Support and resistance level from a 4 hour time frame is the strongest one for me as a day trader and as a scalper and a day trader. 4 hour time frame support and resistance level is the major one that I always use. You understand? So once I mark it from the 4 hour time frame, I'll go to the lower time frame. Let me see if you are seeing my screen now. You are not seeing my screen. You are not seeing my screen. You are not seeing my screen and you not complain. You are not seeing my screen and you not complain. So this is it here. If I mark a support and a resistance level from 4 hour time frame, support and resistance level from 4 hour time frame is very very strong. You understand? Then I'll go to my 15-minute time frame. I'll be waiting for the market to come to that support level to form a W pattern on 5-minute time frame. Then I'll look for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. Then I'll take action. Then on the resistance level, I'll wait for the market to go to that resistance level, then I'll wait for it to form an M pattern from a resistance level, then combine with bearish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, then I'll take a sell. You understand? But presently now, the reason why I'm not looking for a sell on GBP USD is because I'm seeing this particular pattern, and I know, to me, from my this thing analysis, I know that like all I'm looking for is a buy. That is the reason why I put this particular buy order. You understand? That's the reason why I put this particular buy order. But I'll first of all look for a support and resistance level on the 4 hour time frame, major support and resistance level on the 4 hour time frame. Then I'll know the direction of the market. If the market is on a support level, I'll look for 15-minute engulfing candle from that particular support level and the W pattern strategy, pattern, a W pattern, you understand, strategy. What am I saying? I'll look for a W pattern to form, then a bullish engulfing candle from a 15-minute time frame, then I'll take my buy from a support level. Same thing from a resistance level. That's how I always do it. You understand? That's how I always do it. And as you can see, as the market is on this particular resistance level, there's no any serious M pattern, and there's no any serious bearish engulfing candle. That is the reason why I cannot take any risk from here to buy to sell to the downside. No, I do not see any clear end pattern, and I do not see any clear bearish engulfing candle. That's the reason why I do not take a risk to sell to the downside. You understand? I'll be waiting for it to come slow and steady to this particular support level before I'll take action. Simple as that. Simple, 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 simple. Yes, you are right. Let me see. Yes, you are right, bro. The gap, the gap. I don't know what you mean. Then which one again? Is how did I join your evening one on live class? It's same thing here. It's same thing as you join this particular one. Not any other place. Not any, is not on Zoom. Not on any. Not Zoom meeting. Not anything. Just YouTube video here. You understand? Just YouTube here. You understand? And before I come on the live stream, I share the link to my WhatsApp status. You understand? Maybe if you don't get notified when I come on live stream, you get notified. You see you see the link from my WhatsApp. You understand? It's on WhatsApp. Just come anything 8 p.m. Come on the live section. Ask any question you want on the live section on during 8 p.m. You understand? That one is total top down analysis and general top down and total top down analysis and general discussion concerning charts. You understand? That's what we'll do in the evening. You understand? Then during London section, I'll come on the live section, check if there is any opportunity for us to take a trade together. Then we'll take a trade together. Then if there is no opportunity, then I'll just tell you what I'll be looking out for. Then that's all. You understand? Then which one again? How will be part of it? That's just what I explained. And that's just what I explained. Come on the live section. Just the same as you see this particular notification. Turn on your notification bell. You understand? Whenever I go on live stream, you see notification will pop up. How will I join the class? There is no any class, so there is no any class. If you want one-on-one this thing mentorship, you hit me on WhatsApp just as I paste my WhatsApp number for you. There is no any class anywhere except the one I'm teaching for free on YouTube here. I teach everything for free. But if you want one-on-one, then that one is still a secret discussion, not a live discussion here. If you want one-on-one, it's still a secret discussion, but I'm sharing everything live here. If you still need my time more than this particular one that we are doing here, you hit me on WhatsApp. That one maybe you really need one-on-one mentorship so that you will not be doing mistake. You understand? That one will be one-on-one. You can reach me anytime. You can go on video call on WhatsApp, share screen with you, take trade with you, even when I'm not on live video on YouTube here. You understand? That one is separate. That one you can hit me on WhatsApp. And if you come, go straight to the point. That's just it. I don't have any secret class. No, I don't have any secret class. I give everything for free on YouTube live here. That's the reason why you need to be participating on the YouTube stream if you don't want to like pay any extra charges. Yeah, hope you understand. Hope you understand. Hope you understand what I say. If you want one-on-one mentorship, just hit me on WhatsApp. Just as you ask for YouTube this thing, how you can do your wait thing that I say you should hit me on WhatsApp, you can still hit me concerning one-on-one mentorship. You understand? That one is separate. We don't discuss that one here. You understand? We don't discuss that one here. This one I just come on live here to give it free of charge. Free of charge. Free of charge. Either with question or without question. I'm going off any moment from now. 2 minutes from now I'll be off. With question, without question, 2 minutes from now I'll go off. 2 minutes from now, 2 minutes from now, 2 minutes from now. I've tried a lot. I've given you guys almost 2 hours of my day. Almost 2 hours of my day. I've tried. 2 hours, almost 2 hours. I've tried. So in less than 1 minute, I'll call it a day. In less than 1 minute, I'll call it a day. In less than 1 minute, I'll call it a day. Is it less than 1 minute? Okay, yes, now it's less than 1 minute. Now it's less than 1 minute, I'll call it a day. Then till we'll see in the evening. Let me be prepared. In less than 1 minute, I'll call it a day. Please just join me. Bro, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Eddie and Son Solar Company Limited. Eddie and Son Solar Company Limited. Good morning, good morning. We like we don dey end the video already o. We don dey end the live stream already. How you doing? How was your night? Any question? We don dey end am already. We don dey end am already. We don dey end am already. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have stayed longer than what I've been expecting. I've stayed longer than what I've been expecting. But if you need any, like, you can just watch the live video so that you understand what we have been discussing since. You understand? You can just rewatch it so that you understand what we have been discussing. So, and if there is any question, please bring it in the evening, anything 8 p.m. Anything 8 p.m. Bring it. If there is any question, anything 8 p.m. bring it. So we'll call it a day. We'll call it a day. See you guys in the evening, 8 p.m. sharp. I see you guys in the evening, 8 p.m. sharp. Yep.